Hello my dear friend, my name is Ivan and that's ITGENIO Online School. And today I'm gonna teach you how to create your second template-based game in Roblox Studio. We have already created first, but now it's time to learn some new elements of Roblox Studio and to develop your next game. Our today's game will be about riding cool cars, and it will be possible for you to play this game even with your friends and to test it in some way and just to enjoy your free time in this game. So today we will not need any of these cool templates, but we will need the first one, base plate. Even this base plate will be removed by us later. So it's about to be loaded. Almost. Yeah, it's loaded. And now we go to workspace. It's here in Explorer, as you remember. We left click our base plate and then we press delete button on our keyboard. I have already looked for a great map that you will probably like. But if no, it's possible for you to choose other map. So I go to toolbox and I type drift track here. Where is my favorite track? Maybe let's try typing racetrack here. Maybe this one. Okay, previous one didn't work, so that's why I type drift track again. And a little lower there is a cool track, my personal favorite one. Okay, here is it, with many different cool cars. Okay, nice. Now let's add a spawn point to spawn here and let's test our game. So okay, we are here, everything works fine, and I think there's a lot of sense in testing these cars. Do they work or not? So let's jump to every car. The sound is great, but it's too loud. Let's reduce the volume a little bit. This one works fine. Okay, what about others? It's also working. So, what about this one? Okay, this one. Doesn't work. Let's remember it. What about the next one? Working and crashing. Okay, this one also working. Okay. Will this one work? Yeah, it works. This one doesn't. This one works. Okay, so we have just two cars that are not working. It's this one. Okay, it's inside the track. So this one doesn't work. And if I remember it correctly, this one also. Where is it? Where is this nice purple car? Okay, we'll remove it as well. So let's also add another car just for test, car that I personally like a lot, this drift car, and let's place it instead the one that we have just deleted. Good. So all the cars are working now, and that means that we can add something new to our game. I'm thinking of adding a cool possibility to choose the car that you want to use in your game. Now all the cars are here, but I think that it will be more logical if we will be able to spawn cars that we need only, that we and our friends need. To do that, I will need an interface. It's some kind of visual construction, for example, like some frame with buttons that will allow us to choose the car that we need and to spawn it. So only after that it will appear on our workspace. So let's look for car spawner GUI. And here I see this white object, and I will add it to my game. This object says to open it, so we will do that. And then we'll open README file with instructions about how to make this GUI work. Put the vehicles folder in the server's storage. So we move this folder to server storage folder. Great. Put the car GUI in the started GUI. Okay, not a problem. Go to server settings and put the character type to R6. The thing is that there are two types of characters in Roblox, R6 and R15. Basically, the difference is only in animation and a bit of appearance, but some objects, some templates work only with one type of characters. So that's why we need to listen to this instruction. Let's go to Home tab on the top. Let's go to Game Settings. It says to publish the game, not a problem. So let's call the game Drift Party. In my case, your name can be another. I hit create. I wait a little bit until it's fully loaded. So once it's done, we will see the game settings window. And now we can go to avatar and switch avatar type to R6. Great. Now let's save the settings. Okay, they are saved. So now we can get back to our readme and we can read that we should put the models of our car or our cars to the vehicles folder. Great. So let's just select all our cars that we have. Firstly, let's place oof into this folder. And then let's click first car here, then hold down shift, and while holding down shift, click the last one. And now just drag the icon of any car and place it to vehicles folder. Great. So now we can see no cars here. But if we will start our game, we can click spawn vehicle, select some car, for example my favorite, oof, click OK, and the car is now spawned and works greatly, and we can start drifting. Cool. What if we want to get rid of our car? We just click delete car, delete vehicle. Now let's go to spawn vehicle and choose some other car. And it's already here now. Delete car, and we have no car here. So this GUI will be accessible for you and your friends. For now, I don't like one thing in our game. We have lack of racing atmosphere. So firstly, let's add some music using music player from toolbox. So I don't see my favorite music player for some reason. What if I add? Okay, let's look for Trap Nation. Oh, here is it. Trap Nation songs. Okay, it's here, and let's now use move tool to move it higher, and then let's use rotate to actually rotate it, so it will not interrupt us from playing the game. And also, let's find a cool skybox for our game. Nighttime mountain thing looks atmospheric. If we will add it, then our atmosphere will be changed. Maybe this one is even better. Wow, yeah, I like that a lot. So let's run our game and see what we've got here. Will the music play? For some reason it's not working. But as I told you before, usually working with templates is really about looking for the best template to use. So you just need some time looking for a good music player. Let me try to find other one. Oh, play your music. I will just change the script a little bit. You can follow my action and maybe it will help us. Let's test it. Didn't work. Anyway, if you would like to use music player in your game, you just should spend some time using Toolbox and you'll get the result you want. Moreover, you can go to Test tab, choose some amounts of players and start the test. So you will have several Roblox Studio windows opened and you'll be able to imagine that you are playing with someone to test multiplayer possibilities of your game. And then you can easily share this game to your friends. You can just go to game settings again and basic info. Where is it? Let me find it. Okay, I will show you other way. So we can just close our project. We can save it. Okay, let's save the file as well. Let's go to my games, resend, and let's find Drift Party and let's make it public. And then you can just share it, copy link, and share this link to any of your friends, and you'll be able to play together. Thank you very much for the attention. I was glad to teach you something new. Well done, my friend. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your coach. See you next time. Bye bye.